Okay, so this time we're going to do one that's called the clam. So you lie on your side, but this time, as you're setting up, you want to make sure that your heels, excuse my dirty feet, are lined up with your hip, okay? So you lie like that and making sure heels and butt are pretty much in alignment, all right? So we're like that, lying on the mat, knees, correct positioning, stepped on top of each other, heels in line with your bum, and again lying down and making sure that we're long through the spine so we're not hunched over, and again that we've got that little bit of a gap so you can see how I've banana back there and my hips aren't stacked anymore, so we're up nice and long like that, okay? All right, hold there, take a breath in, and as we exhale, you're just lifting that knee up, woohoo, that burns, as high as you can go without tilting backwards, okay? So we don't want to be rolling back, we want to hold strong, have that gap, take a breath in, breathing out, lifting that knee up again as high as we can without changing any angle at the pelvis. Breathe out and breathe in. Breathe out and breathe in. And out. Again, if you need to balance, have the fingers there, that's fine. Breathe in and breathe out. And you'll feel this a little bit deeper and a little bit further behind around in your glutes, in your bum.